Welcome to Astley Bridge. We're here to look at this recently modernised and thoroughly improved property. I'm just showing you from Park Avenue side first because this is where the driveway parking is. So there's wrought iron gates which then open out onto the driveway. So if you was going to be driving in, you'd perhaps come from this side. And then as you drive in, there is one or two bits and pieces of building materials which will be cleaned out in due course. So you've got running here, it's driveway parking behind the gates. And the whole idea of the outdoor space is that it's easy maintenance for an incoming tenant. So we've got flagged patio area to this side. It's all sort of concrete finish down this side of the property, and the flower beds, as you'll see as we have a walk around the front, are just finished for easy maintenance. Sort of the bark does smell really nice actually. Bark finish, and then as you step out from the kitchen, you then step out onto the timber decking. It's got the balustrading there as well. It's a very, very impressive looking property. Originally Park House, as you can see, it's in stone. Very, very well presented. And then there is, of course, the kitchen extension. If you was coming from sort of the Mossbank Way side, I'll just walk you this way just so you've got a proper idea. So opposite us here is Sharples Park, where Thornleigh is. Astley Bridge Park and the bowling club are just on the other side of the main road. But if you was going to come in by foot, you'd come through this pedestrian gate and then through the one labelled 35A, which we'll just have a walk through. So it's all very well enclosed, and just look at this entrance. We've got red double doors that open out over this lovely canopy storm porch, and there's some detailing above the door there with a date mark of 1887. Beautiful property. It's gorgeous inside too, and I'll take you inside for a look around now. So as we step through this grand entrance, double doors, we step into the reception hallway area, which has the stairs off running up to the first floor, and there's reception rooms on either side. First of all, we're going to look this way, which is probably into the living room, I would suggest. So in here we've got brand new carpets, recently decorated, nice big central heating radiator, UPVC windows with fitted blinds. The whole property is neutrally decorated and very, very well presented. I'll just spin the camera around to this side so you get a good idea of the room. As we step through this door, we've got the carpeted stairs down to the cellar. I will show you in there in just a moment. And then we're looking in the guest WC, ground floor WC, so it's a nice modern white two-piece suite, UPVC window, fitted blind, good quality mirror on the wall in there as well. And what you'll perhaps notice as we have a walk round is these really, really nice internal doors as well. I'd say this is pretty much ready to move straight into. There's been a scheme of works, not least this kitchen extension, which is given a brand new, so this is being recorded October 23, so a brand new fitted kitchen, diner, really, really nice space, very, very light. You'll see we've got UPVC windows to the right, the left, and the patio doors which open out onto the decked terraced area, which might just be a nice place to sit out and perhaps have a morning brew. The kitchen units, Again, they're all brand new, really nice quality job. You can see in there's plenty of storage space. I'll open one or two more up as well. Nice double oven grill, gas hob, and as you can see on there, brand new extractor. Very, very well designed. Space for perhaps a tall fridge freezer. Lovely, lovely room. Now as we walk back through the living room, we're going to go through the hallway and then look at the second reception room. So this is nice to have a look at. This is the inside of the entrance doors, so really, really smart. And you've got the leaded stained glass window up above, which looks beautiful. Second reception room. Again, lovely big UPVC windows with fitted blinds, new carpet, nice big radiator. It's very warm in here. The heating's obviously on a timer. And then through here, we're then into the utility room. So we've got a central stainless steel sink and drainer, under sink storage space perhaps for the washing machine and the dryer underneath, UPVC window, radiator in here, and it's the Worcester gas combination condensing boiler, which is just concealed within this cupboard. So we've got utility room, 2 reception rooms and a kitchen on this floor. Next, we'll go down and have a look at the cellar, which might make a brilliant hobby room, playroom. Have a look and see what you think. So we're going to have a look at the cellar. Lovely carpeted steps that lead down, and we've got exposed brickwork to the right hand side and exposed stonework to the left hand side. Perhaps a bit of storage space or display space there. Stonework and brickwork around the feature fireplace. You can see how the walls have been plastered. It is a new window that's in there as well. Inset ceiling spotlighting. This might make a great hobby room. Nice space, oh I don't know, Dad's Champions League room, children's playroom, whatever it may be. Really good space. And then this is just the area underneath the stairs, so you can see the stone steps and the insulation, and then stone walling, and the gas meter is here as well. So this is the basement, and now we'll look at the first floor. So we're looking up at the first floor at the minute, and we've got this lovely bay window, in sort of a V-shaped bay window actually, at the head of the stairs, which is really nice again. Lovely brand new carpet. First of all, we'll have a peek in the master bedroom. So we've got the ornate fireplace, beamed ceilings, and what I particularly like in here is we've got 2 UPVC windows. Again, lovely carpet, neutrally decorated. And this is the aspect as we look forwards. So that is Astley Bridge Park, just there, Sharples Park and Thornleigh's to the left. Holy Infants, I think, it might not go by that name anymore, apologies if I'm a little bit out of date. Lovely, lovely bedroom. Second bedroom is just across the landing. Again, very well presented. New carpeting, lovely decorations, blinds fitted to the big window, and up here is the loft access point for the loft storage space. I will open it out in a minute just so you can see what's up there. There is a window up there, but it's just storage space. It's not suitable for another bedroom or anything. And last but by no means least is this fabulous shower room suite. Really, really nice. Gorgeously tiled, nice big shower enclosure with handheld and overhead shower options. Spotlighting, lovely big wash hand basin with drawers underneath, dual flush WC, heated towel rail, Absolutely gorgeous. So last but by no means least is the loft storage space. So there's a drop down ladder from bedroom number 2. Not suitable for use as a bedroom, of course. Drop down ladder. There is a UPVC window, you might have seen this from the front. A couple of beams to the ceiling. Electricity, actually with USB socket as well there. So that's nice, but yeah, this is just storage space. To be honest, I'm primarily showing it to you now on this video, so perhaps there's no need to open it up on the viewings, but if you want to, we can. So any questions, any queries, please give us a call. Cardwell's Letting Agents, Bolton, 01204 381 281. Thanks so much.